Good afternoon, this is Steve Bodner with the National Weather Service in Spokane. Here is our weekly weather briefing for the upcoming week. Following a rather benign weather pattern for the next 48 hours, an active spring pattern will return to the inland northwest. The pattern change will be marked by a strong cold front passage late Wednesday. Then we'll be focusing on several rounds of showers and thunderstorms throughout the end of the week and into the weekend. This pattern is conducive for producing moderate to heavy rainfall amounts, and that will be a concern, especially near recent burn scars. The main threat for showers today will be in the mountains and across southeastern Washington and the central Idaho panhandle. Impacts from this activity is expected to be pretty low. A cold front passage late Wednesday will mark the transition toward a more active spring-like weather pattern. Gusty winds will accompany the front during the PM hours and then continue to blow through the night. The strongest winds will channel through the Cascade Gaps and near the Blue Mountains at locations like Alpoa Summit. The nocturnal timing of this front is not real conducive for damaging winds, and for that matter, we're only anticipating wind gusts up to 35 miles an hour in the green shaded areas. The cold front will also bring the next round of showers and thunderstorms late Wednesday afternoon into Wednesday night. The best chance for thunderstorms will be in the Idaho Panhandle and far reaches of northeastern Washington. Showers will be more common on the Cascade Crest. Rainfall amounts could be moderate across the Idaho Panhandle and far southeastern reaches of Washington. If we look back at the storm track over the last month or so, there's been a split flow regime in place which has led to above normal warmth, drier than normal conditions, and a rapid loss of low and mid elevation snowpack. Well, that will be coming to an end by the end of this week, which will persist into early next week as a deep upper level low parks over the western U.S. Confidence is high in this developing weather pattern and the elements that will bring, such as widely scattered showers and thunderstorms, cooler temperatures, little to no snow melt, and most important, little to no threat for river flooding. The main concern in our office will be the potential for moderate to heavy showers or thunderstorms that accompany this weather pattern. At this point, it is too tough to call exactly where and when these will impact, or the rainfall amounts, so we will go with low confidence at this point. However, from the current data, it looks as if moderate rain will accompany this activity with a lower threat for small hail or gusty winds. This season, anytime we talk about thunderstorm chances, we'll have to mention the threat for flash flooding on recent wildfire burn scars. This week, we are bumping up the threat towards possible, and those living on or near burn scars should remain vigilant. Overall, this week across the inland northwest, you can expect temperatures for the first time in a long time to be near to below normal, as indicated by these graphics at Sandpoint and Wenatchee. The Climate Prediction Center's 8 to 14 day outlook is calling for an increased odds of above average temperatures and wetter than normal conditions, but the general signal drops off drastically from this week and slides towards the southeast, generally following the upper low as it migrates to the east. Here again is the recap for this week's weather. Please follow us on Facebook, Twitter, and YouTube, in addition to our webpage at weather.gov/Spokane for the latest weather information. Thank you for tuning in.